nature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly magical in store for you. Join us on an extraordinary journey deep into the heart of the Enchanted Forest, where ancient trees tell tales and mystical creatures dance beneath the canopies. As we step into the forest, a sense of tranquility envelopes us. The air is crisp, and the leaves crunch beneath our feet. This is a realm untouched by time, where every tree has a story to share. Legend has it that these trees have witnessed centuries unfold. Listen closely, and you'll hear the whispers of the trees, sharing tales of ancient civilizations, forgotten secrets, and the passage of time. But it's not just the trees that hold secrets. The Enchanted Forest is home to a myriad of magical creatures, from mischievous fairies to wise old owls. Keep your eyes peeled, you might catch a glimpse of these elusive beings. As we explore deeper, hidden glades emerge, adorned with vibrant wildflowers. Crystal clear waterfalls cascade down moss-covered rocks, creating a symphony of nature's melody. It's a sight that takes your breath away. And as the sun sets, the forest transforms. Ethereal nightfall descends, revealing a magical realm illuminated by the soft glow of fireflies. It's a time when the mystical energy of the forest comes alive. As our enchanted journey comes to an end, the forest calls us to embark on our own adventures. Whether it's a day trip or a weekend getaway, let the whispers of the Enchanted Forest inspire you to explore the wonders of nature. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting expedition. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more magical experiences. Until next time, embrace the magic that surrounds us. Happy exploring!